Hello friends, today in this video Python we will be learning about bitwise operators. What are bitwise operators? Bitwise operators, as you've seen earlier also in our assignment operators, that bitwise operators are used for many things. So they convert into, and bit is used and bitwise is used. So for here we have seen that bitwise act upon operators as they are strings of bits, hence they are named like this. So this is how bitwise operator work. 2 is 10 in binary and 7 is 111. So let's see if we use them. So there are 6 operators in binary bitwise, so and they operate in that manner only. So we have 2 and 7, so 2 and 7. So first we need to declare 2, a is equal to 2, equal to 2, and b equal to 7. So a and b would give us 2, and b, a and a. So this is how a and b performs, giving us a value of 2. Now you can use 3 operators also, so a and b and c. So okay, c was not defined, so you get an error over there. C is equal to 3, so copying that back again. So you get a 2. So in this similar manner, when you operate on them, you will get the answer, and you can take as many as possible. So a. Now next we will move to the bitwise OR. So bitwise OR is used to operate between 2 of them. So a or b, this will give us 7. Now let's see it with 3 of them, a or b or c. We get 7. Now after using them, our next would be not. So as we have seen earlier also, there was a not in the logical also. So here also we have a not, so that is not a. So -3. Now next is our XOR. So a XOR b, 5. Now let's do with 3. A XOR b XOR c. So then we get 6. So there are different ways you can do the same operation and using different operators. So these are how we do, and let's see next, that is the right shift. So a, then right shift by 1. So a right shift 2 would give us different answers. See, now let's do a left shift. So this is how things are. So a right shift would shift the operator rightwards, and left shift would shift it leftwards. Similar like I did over here, you can do 2, 8 you get. So this is how the bitwise operators work in a much similar pattern, and this was how our bitwise operators are. And now in this video we have seen, I would like to conclude in today's video, and in further videos we will see how other operators are and how do we work on them.